Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we will be solving some inequalities and we will be graphing them on number line. So these are all multi-step inequalities. So let's just move towards the very first question that we have. The first question is 5y plus 8y is less than 13. So for this one, as you can see, 5y and 8y, they are the like terms, so we will add them together and that will be equivalent to 13y is less than 13. So for this one, I will divide both sides with the 13. So I will get y is less than 13 divided by 13. So y is less than 1. This is the solution for the first inequality that I've got. So I will just put it over here, an open circle on 1, and it will be pointing in this direction. So this is going to be the solution for the first question. Now let's just move towards the second question that we have. For this one, it is 9 is greater than or equivalent to minus 2p plus 2 minus 3. So plus 2 minus 3, that is equivalent to 9 is greater than or equivalent to minus 2p plus 2 minus 3, that's equivalent to minus 1. Alright. So after that, I will add 1 on both sides. It's 9 plus 1 is greater than or equivalent to 2p with the minus sign. Minus 1 plus 1, they will just cancel out with each other. So 10 is greater than or equivalent to minus 2p. After that, I will divide both sides with the negative 2. So this will become minus 5 is less than or equivalent to p. I'm dividing both sides with the negative 2. That's why the inequality is reversed. Okay. And if I rearrange it, I can also write it down like that way. P is greater than or equivalent to minus 5. Alright. So for this one, I will put a closed circle on negative 5 like this way, and it will be pointing in this direction. Alright. I have other video lesson about the same topic as well. You can just go through it if you want to learn how to graph an inequality. Okay. I will provide the link as well for it. For the question number 3, we have minus 9 that is greater than minus 5q minus 4q. That's equivalent to minus 9q. So for this one, again, I will divide both sides with the negative 9. So minus 9 and divided by minus 9 on this side. So if I divide both sides with the negative sign, the inequality is going to be reversed. So 1 is going to be like this. Okay, the inequality is reversed. Okay, so it will be 1 is less than q, and if I rearrange it, it's going to be like this way. Q is greater than 1. Okay, they both have the same meaning. I'll just rearrange it. So on 1, I'm going to put an open circle like this way, and it will be pointing in this direction, just like that way. Okay, now let's just look at the question number 4 over here. This is minus 14 is less than or equivalent to 7. Okay, so for this one, as I can see, this 7 is going to get cancelled out with this 7, right? Because one is positive 7 and the other one is negative 7. So minus 14 is less than or equivalent to 7n. So for this one, I'm going to be dividing both sides with 7. Alright, so if I divide both sides with the 7 like this way, this 7 is going to cancel out with this one. So minus 2 is less than or equivalent to n. And if I rearrange it, that can be written like n is greater than or equivalent to minus 2. I can represent it like that way. Okay. So on minus 2, I'm going to put a closed circle just the way like this way. And this closed circle is going to be pointing in this direction. Alright. So now for the question number 5 over here, we need to distribute those values as well. So I'm going to be just like distributing it accordingly. So 5 times 6 and then 5 times 3. Okay. It's going to be 30 plus 5 times 3 is 15r plus 7 is greater than or equivalent to 127. Okay. So for this one, I will be processing the same operation. So 30 plus 15r plus 7. So if I add it, it's going to be like equivalent to 37 plus 15r is greater than or equivalent to 127. And then I will subtract with 37 on both sides. Okay. Because I need to eliminate all those values and I have to isolate this r. So 37 minus 37 plus 15r is greater than or equivalent to 127 minus 37. Okay, they both will just cancel out with each other. So if I further go ahead and solve 127 minus 37, that's going to be equivalent to 90. So 15r is greater than or equivalent to 90 for it. And after that, I will divide both sides with 15. So r is greater than or equivalent to 90 divided by 15. So if I divide 90 by the 15, I will get 6 as my answer. So r is greater than or equivalent to 6. That's going to be the answer for it. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to be putting a closed circle on this 6, and it will be pointing in this direction. When we put a closed circle, we have to fill it from inside, okay? And when we put an open circle, it will not be filled from inside, okay? It will remain the way it is. So now if you just move towards the question number 6 real quick. So for this one, let me rearrange it. Alright, so we have 13 minus 8. I'm just going to be combining like terms, okay? So 13 minus 8, that's equivalent to 5, and 5 plus 6, that's equivalent to 11. 11 plus 2v is greater than minus 7 minus v, okay? So in order to eliminate this v, I will add v on both sides. So 2v plus v, and 11 is over here, okay, is greater than minus 7 minus v plus v. They will just cancel out with each other, okay? So 11 plus 3v is greater than minus 7. And after that, I will subtract 11 on both sides. So 3v, 11 minus 11 is greater than minus 7 minus 11. So they will just cancel out. So 3v is greater than minus 18. Alright, I'm going to be just like solving it on this side. So 3v is greater than minus 18, and I will divide both sides with 3. So v is greater than minus 6. So on minus 6, I'm going to put an open circle just the way like this way, and it will be pointing in this direction. So this is how you solve multi-step inequalities and graph them on number line. So if you understood our today's class, I will be requesting you to please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss the coming video lectures. We'll see you in our next class. Bye for now.